Good afternoon to you, and I hope you are hungry today. Students right here at South Houston High School prepared this meal, showing off what they've learned in class.
At first I couldn't really cook, but now you learn new stuff every day.
This is the main thing I look forward to doing today.
My kids can go home and immediately apply it. They can go in their kitchens, they can show their parents what they produced, what they learned.
This is rainbow switched chard, so we're super excited about using that. And the thing is that they're like, what is it? How does it grow? And we talk about what nutrients does this provide to us, so they know how to eat healthy.
Anything's new, anything that's new. I like learning stuff new, so if it's a new baking recipe, if it's a new barbecue recipe, I'm willing to learn it.
They learn through the measurements of the recipes and how to convert the recipes. They're learning science on when they bake, how the different ingredients affect other ingredients.
So is it harder or easier than you thought it would be?
It's harder, but a good hard.
And of course, you were looking at today's final product here. And of course, we are working on even more stories from right here in South Houston.